What you're looking at is the sensor from a GoPro knockoff camera. The lens normally would be covering the sensor, but in this case it's exposed because that's what's the issue with the camera. The lens was loose, it was actually came off its mount. So here's the mount. The lens. So in this case, the mount was secured only with glue over top of the sensor. And then I guess the glue gave up its hold, and the lens came off. So I'm going to secure it with screws this time, because there are holes there, so I might as well use some screws. They probably left that step out to save a bit of assembly time. But it does work. I got it working before I took it apart, and it'll be interesting to see what comes of it when I get it back together. And that'll be the next video.